Hello, let me show you how to create a variable that cannot be changed after declaration. So let's get started with the playground. Blank, next, create. Now with this playground we can easily check our codes without design. To create a variable that cannot be changed, we have to use let instead of this var. Let I'm going to use name, let name, and colon and data type as string equals and double quotations. Inside double quotations I'm going to type my name. Okay, now thing is, when you are trying to change this value with another value, you can get another error. Let's run this. Okay, cannot assign to a value. Name is a let constant. If you want to change this variable again, the variable should be var. So you can change that variable again and again like this. Name. Okay, let's run. We have to give a print name after changing to this name. Sorry, print name. Now let's run. Okay, now we are going to change this type to let again. Now we can get our error. Alright, let's look at another example. I'm going to change this let to var. Let's create another variable with let. Number and data type is int. I'm going to use number as 10. So this is a static number, it cannot be changed later. Number equals 11. It cannot be happen because this is a let constant. Okay,